Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Welcome back to another room tour with the Exploring Yeti. Today we're staying at Hyatt Regency Paris Étoile. That's right. We booked a club level king bedroom here at the Hyatt Regency. So as soon as you walk in, going to have your closet, and it does come with not one but also two. We'll get to this robe. There are two robes. Sorry, I'm just waking up from a nap. Very, very tired. I fell asleep in the lift on the way over here. There is a iron that is already in here. You have an ironing board, several hangers. My wife has already kind of started packing stuff away, so that's our stuff. We also have two bottles of water, a couple cups to put those waters in. Right below that, we have plenty of tea and coffee. So there's breakfast there, get some mint. All right, and then some coffee, a couple decaf. Not gonna eat decaf. Also a kettle.
Coffee.
Oh yeah, we also have a coffee pot over there. My wife just informed me. We'll get to that in just a second. We're just walking into the room, so there's all our bags right there. Okay, so below that we have a few drawers. There is nothing in those drawers at all. Empty, and empty. Gonna close that up. All right. Nice little light switch here. This one controls kind of hallway light, and this one's gonna be your bathroom light. The bathroom, fancy. I like it. Plenty of light. The lighting from the hotel that we just stayed at, it was okay. So if you saw the Village's nature, it was a one bedroom. The lighting was kind of all over the place, so it didn't really have great lighting, and my wife kind of had to go in a different section of the room. But here, look at this lighting, you guys. Hello, or should I say bonjour? All right, over to the right, we have a shower, and got the shower head right up there. And here are your body wash, shampoo, and conditioner. A nice little step too, if you want to shave your legs, put your leg right up there. Here goes your temperature controls there. And then a pretty much fully enclosed shower. So you have this door here that's going to close all the way, which I love that feature. That's just me. Maybe other people. I don't really like the half shower. No, never mind. We're not going to get into that. Moving on. A couple of cups to gargle when you're washing your teeth or brushing your teeth. Not washing your teeth, but brushing them. Got some facial soap here. And right over here, looks like you have a little bit of a mint tea. Okay, so we have a nail file in there, Q-tips, cotton rounds, and shower cap. All right. Reminds me of a little bit of the Intercontinental. All right, so for over here, you're gonna have a plug. It just says shavers only, so I wouldn't plug your hair dryer in there. It might short that out. Oh, we got a little bit of a blemish here. That's okay. We're gonna overlook that. Another plug over here where you probably can plug in a hair dryer. We have a tissue right here. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Okay, so you got a toilet Yes, but also you have a little bidet right here. Cool. Right underneath here, that's going to be your hair dryer, and then a couple towels. That's going to be it for the bathroom. Oh, we also have, well, we have the time right in the mirror there. So when you're getting ready and your wife's like, hey, hurry up, we need to be somewhere at 6. You look down and be like, oh, it's 4:32. I can take a 15-minute shower or less. I don't know. All right, we have your mirror. Hello, that's a nice little close-up. How you doing? All right, backing out of that. Just going to turn that off. Right over here, we have a near full-length mirror, but you can check yourself out, make sure you look all nice and great before you step out into Paris. I love my wife. She's being a houseplant and gathering out as much sunlight as possible. Over here, we're gonna have a side table, 2 USB plugs right over here, 1 and the 2, and you also have a light, so you push that in. It's gonna turn on this light here. Looks like you can adjust brightness of that light. Turn that off. Remote over here, that's going to be for your TV. Yes, that is a 65-inch TV if I ever seen one. That's a very large TV and you're pretty close to it, so you know, kudos to that. Thank you, Hyatt. All right, over here we have a luggage rack. This part is not part of the luggage rack, but this is where you put your luggage rack so it doesn't hit against the wall and cause marks. All right, that's pretty ingenious. I like that. All right, moving on past the 65-inch TV, we have this long workspace here. This goes from here all the way down here. So you can put a couple items here, all the way down. Nice little chair, little workspace chair. And also you have a USB here and a USB-C. That's nice. I like that they have a USB-C and a USB. A plug right here. Looks like it is both European European and I'm not sure what type socket that is, but they're both over here for you to use. And we also have a Nespresso maker with a couple of Nespresso pods and a nice fresh water to fill up that coffee maker. A couple cups there. Got some cream and sugar in there, a couple stirrers. And down below that, there is a fridge, a little mini fridge. Awesome. Gonna have to turn that on. Put a couple of bottles of something in there, wine, beer. Yes, sounds delicious. A trash bin and recycling bin right there. Right over here is going to be a nice little table, so if you're watching TV, you can lay back on this lounger right here, have your wine or your beer from the fridge, and watch some TV. The best part is yet to come. I'm going to show you what our view is. Fantastic view. Right over here, we're going to have a safe. Right, that can fit probably a whole 15-inch laptop easily. Yes, that's great. Nice phone right here, and we have 2 lights over here as well. Turn that on, turn that off. It's still bright out. It's it's afternoon, but it's still fairly bright, so you won't be able to see the lights here. But those are the 2 lights, and then this big area here of a nightstand. Now, club level over here, we did book a view of, guess what? The Eiffel Tower. I cannot wait to see that lit up at night. That's going to be absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so on club level, you do get a gorgeous, gorgeous view of the Eiffel Tower, which is right over there. This area is in the 16th 17th district. My wife just corrected me. 17th district. So we are very, very close. And also right over there, you know what that is? That's the Arc de Triomphe. Right over there. Right there. So we can see that. We're very close to that. So that's well within walking distance. That's probably like a 10, maybe 15-minute walk from where we are. And we are on the 30th floor as well. So we're very, very high indeed. Got a nice little park over there. And Paris just hosted the Olympics, so they're gonna have a few of the remaining signage and advertisements for Olympics kind of hanging around. But this is Hyatt Regency Paris Étoile in Paris. Thank you guys so much for watching. We appreciate you. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe to Exploring Yeti. That is our fantastic channel here. And be sure and check out this hotel if you are staying in Paris. Once again, this is the club level king bedroom at the Hyatt Regency Paris Étoile. Thank you again. Please check out one of our other room tours or watch a whole vlog. We'll see you guys again. Have a pleasant day, night, evening, or morning. Be kind and be safe. Bye-bye, everyone.